gives me every time.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are a new member to our channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and be a part of our trading family. So in this video, we'll be learning a very unique and a secret strategy which is based only for banks. So don't trade this on other stocks. You might waste your time based on that, because I've already backtested for a few days and it's working perfectly. So this perfectly works on banks. That too, we have selected certain banks like State Bank and Kotak Bank, etc. But I've chosen ICICI Bank for this. So basically, if you are a bank trader, trade on ICICI Bank using this strategy. And for beginners, this strategy will be very much useful, because they go into the market as a beginner and they don't know how to follow. They go through a lot of tips and they lose their money. To avoid all this, I'll be providing a very unique strategy which will be very much helpful, and we are not going to use any external softwares also for this. So it will be very much useful. We are just going to follow the patterns, candlestick and a calculator, that's it. Before getting into it, I would like to say something to my subscribers, because most of them were asking me this doubt in recent days. The market is fallen down like heavily, just for a huge fall was there, and whether this is a proper time to invest in the market or not. Actually, if you ask me, yes, it's a proper time to invest now. Already I told most of my members who have asked me this to wait for a few days. Already there are times where even most of the brokers started to provide margin for intraday traders. Well, this itself is indication the volatility has come down. It is a proper indication, and instead of going in the fundamental manner, I'll explain this in a technical manner, which will save a lot of time, and even you will understand in a better manner. But in short, yes, this is the right time for investments. Most of stocks are undervalued already. Let's get into the video now. I would take Nifty 50 one-day chart pattern. Yes, starting from the day 5th March, the stock has started, the index has started to fall due to this corona and a lot of factors, and the main thing was corona. Now I'll show you technically how this works. I'll draw a line, a pure downtrend. Okay, a pure downtrend. Now what has happened? The downtrend is already broken. The trend is already broken, and they are accumulating it. Distribution is accumulation is happening. Okay, this is the accumulation part. This is the accumulation part. So this is the trend, downtrend. The trend has been broken already, and now they're waiting for some uptrend. So what will happen is, in the upcoming days, if the if the index opens above this range, above 9,100 or 9,200, you can expect uptrend in the coming days. And always keep one thing in mind: indexes always tends to create new highs in long term, unlike stocks. If you take stocks, for example, Jet Airways in the recent days, Jet Airways, Yes Bank, when these stocks have particular news, they'll follow downtrend. We can't say that we have to buy at low levels and we can expect the same thing to reach new highs. It will not happen, because they have some particular news. They might get delisted also. But when it comes to index, delisting is not at all a thing, because it's an index. Index always tends to create new highs in the long term. So yes, this is the right time for investment. So it already broke the trend. Now accumulation is happening. Accumulation, nothing but the confused state. They're not letting the market to go down. They're creating new highs. So once it breaks this range, you can expect new highs in the coming days. So start investing, not only by just because I say, and analysts from your side also, ask few better analysts. You'll get a clear-cut overall idea whether to invest at this particular time or not. Okay, thank you. And now we'll get into the actual video, what I'm trying to explain. So let's see what are the requirements of the strategy first. Requirements: we need 5 minutes time frame chart. 5 minutes time frame, as everyone knows, it's 5 minutes time frame. And next step is, we need 1 day time frame chart and previous day HLC price. HLC is nothing but high low close price of the previous day. Then we need a trading calculator, that is OD trading calculator. Most of them will be using Gann calculators and etc. We'll be using a very unique calculator, that is OD calculator, and pivot range of OD. We'll not be taking all the values from the OD calculator. We'll just take one value, that is pivot range. Now I'll teach you how the strategy works. So before getting to the video, just see or take a screenshot of it and keep it, so that it will be helpful for you guys as well. Okay, now I'll go to the video. I'll take ICICI Bank. Five minutes chart of ICICI Bank. I'll take a horizontal line. Now for first requirements is already done. 5 minutes time frame chart is done. Now we have to convert this 5 minutes into 1 day. Okay, I'll click on 5 minutes to 1 day. So we need previous days high, low and close values. So previous day high was, just see here when you click or keep the mouse here, pointer here. Previous day high was 352.75. Okay, now I'll go to Woody calculator. So there are a lot of calculators like Woody. You almost get the same values. I'll prefer pivot trading for that. So previous day high, low and close. Just feed the values here. Previous day. Since for example, if you're trading for 9th, you need values of 8th. If you're trading for 8th, you need the values of 7th. Like that. Since I'm trading, for example, I'm trading on 9th today, I need the values, today's range. So before the market opens, I have to do it. So I'll be taking the values from 8th. 8th, high, low and close values. High, 352.75. And low prices, high, low prices, 315.10. And I'll be taking the close price now. Close price is 318.95. That is 319. 318.95. Okay, just click on find values. You'll be getting the pivot range. Pivot range is 326.44. I'll mark this in the present day. That is nothing but 326.44. 326.45. 326.45. Okay, here somewhere. So now what I'll do, market has opened above the pivot, right? So if the market opens above the pivot range, it's an indication for buy side. So we have to wait for the pivot range and buy. So market is open above the pivot. If what you have to do is just keep one thing in mind. If before 10:30 or after 10:30, if the market is not reaching the level within 10:30, you have to buy above the second 5-minute candle price. If it's reaching within 10:30, you have to buy at the pivot price. Now market has the level has reached at 950 itself. Our buy level is activated at 950 at 326 at 950. So we have to take the pivot range. Keep this in mind, guys. I'll repeat it once again. Only one condition: before 10:30 and after 10:30. If the market is now, if your pivot level is not getting triggered before 10:30, sorry, if it's getting if your pivot range is getting triggered at 10:30 or before 10:30, you have to take pivot range. If it's not getting before 10:30, if not getting triggered, trading somewhere here or somewhere, you have to buy above the second 5-minute candle price. This is the rule. Okay, since it has triggered at 950 itself, we'll be buying at the Woody price. So our price was activated at 950. Look what has happened. It has faced resistance, and from 326 it has moved up to 345, which is more than 40,000 profit for one lot. Okay, we have checked for 9th. Let's check for 8th. If we need 8th, we have to take values of 7th. So 7th, high, low, close price. High was 329.60. $329.60. Low price was 296.85. And the close price was 326.10. 226.10. Now the pivot range is 319.70. So on 8th I have to implement it. 319, what was that? 319.670. 319.70. Yes, yeah. So market has opened above the price, which is market is open above the pivot range, which is indicating a buy side. So wait for the level to trigger. So market has reached the level on next 5-minute candle itself. So buy level is activated here. See, look what has happened. From 319 to the stock had moved up to 352, which is more than 60,000 profit for one lot. And always keep a stop loss of 7 to 8 points safely if you're a high risk trader, or keep some technical stop loss. I always prefer stop loss of 8,000 per lot. Sorry, 8,000 for 2 lots, or keep a stop loss of 4,000 for 1 lot. This is how you have to trade on this trading system. But success rate is more than 95 as of now, which I am basically following this. Success rate is above 95, so don't worry about the stop loss. Always keep some technical strict stop loss and you can trade based on this strategy. So let me trade for one other day also. So let me trade for 7th. If the 7th, I need the values of 6th. 7th. So third's value I need. So third's high was 309.50. .50. 309.50. Then I'll be taking the low price, that is 281.50, and the close price I need now. Close price is 286.65. Find value 291 is my level for 7th. So 291 for 7th. 291. Yeah, our level is not activated within 10:30. So it has opened above the pivot range, which is an indication for buy. So we have to wait for the range. If it's not getting activated within 10:30, after 10:30 we have to buy above the second 5-minute candle high. So this condition, we have to buy above the second 5-minute candle high, since our range is not triggered within 10:30. Our range was activated at 12:30. So from 310 to it has moved up to 330. Right. This is the very simple strategy, guys. Keep a very small stop losses and trade. Your success rate will be very much high. And this is the first time I'm revealing it on net. So get benefited and back tested at least for a month and take a trade based on it. And if you like our video, please do subscribe and tell your friends about it so that even they'll get benefited from our side. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do subscribe.